Well, viewers, while the Supreme Court has wrapped the Bengal police for not providing accurate timeline in the Kolkata horror probe, a massive protest is taking place in Kolkata against the alleged inaction by the TMC. The top Bengal BJP leaders can be seen leading the protest. My colleagues Sabyasachi and Tapas are joining us on the broadcast. Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi. Sabyasachi, we're seeing action on ground. Several of these leaders also being taken into custody. Take us through what's happening there.
Well, absolutely. See, now the BJP leaders have called for a protest and called for a Shastro Bhavan Gherao. Now there has been several layers of barricading which was done by the Kolkata police, but the BJP leaders, be it Arjun Singh, Agnamitra Paul, Sukant Majumdar, all of them were present and they have breached the barricades which has been put by Kolkata police. I request my camera person just to pan around and show you the visuals. You can see now the BJP workers along with the leaders are marching towards the Shastro Bhavan, which they had called for the Gherao of Shastro Bhavan, calling that every single misconduct that is taking place in RG Kar is because of the Shastro Bhavan, which had completely turned blind eye towards the irregularities that is taking place in the healthcare sector here in West Bengal. Now the BJP had called for several protests across the state. Today they had called for a protest march towards the Shastro Bhavan, calling they would gherao the Shastro Bhavan and demand that the corrupt officers who are there in Shastro Bhavan should be removed as soon as possible by the state government. Now the BJP also had called for Navarno Gherao Obhijan, which the date will be decided by the BJP leaders. Now the BJP is holding continuous protests across the city. In fact, they had reached out to the High Court because the Calcutta High Court had finally gave the BJP permission to hold continuous protest in the city from 21st to 25th.
খুনি মমতা স্বৈরাচারী ধর্ষকদের নেত্রী খুনি মমতা দফা 1 দাবি 1 স্বৈরাচারী লিপাত যাক খুনি মমতা হায় ধর্ষকদের নেত্রীকে
So you're seeing live visuals on your screens. Let's go across to my colleague Tapas as well, joining us on the broadcast. Tapas, we are looking at visuals of the top BJP leaders, including Shubhendu Adhikari, being detained by the police officials. The protest has intensified, and this comes just hours after the scathing observations by the top court as well.
Well, the protests have only intensified. Well, the protests have only intensified. You can see they have already breached the barricade around a kilometer back, and now the senior leaders of the BJP are walking down towards Shastro Bhavan. Senior leader Agnimitra Paul is now leading this. Shubhendu Adhikari is also there. Agnimitra, today you have stopped and you have breached the barricade. Are you intending to reach the Health Secretary?
Yes, absolutely. We don't want to reach Health Secretary. We want to reach Shastro Bhavan, the health bhavan of the state government. We don't have anything to tell the health secretary or the health minister. Health minister has to resign. That is our only demand.
What would you like to say after the observations of the strong observations of the Supreme Court that was made?
The truth is out. Satyameva Jayate. We always stand by the truth. And we always have been saying that under Mamata Banerjee's leadership, Abhaya is being stopped for not getting justice. You know, at one point, Mamata Banerjee is saying that I want, Phasi for the culprits. And on the other hand, she is engaging almost 30 senior advocates, including Kapil Sibbal, and paying them 15 lakhs from our taxpayers' money so that Abhaya doesn't get justice.
Well, the message is loud and clear that they want justice, that they have breached the barricade, and now we are crossing the central park of Salt Lake. The police's bandobast was also there, but somehow the supporters have outnumbered the police that were deployed here, and finally they are moving towards the health secretariat, and they say that under any circumstances whatsoever, they want to go to the health secretariat and meet the health secretary. Thousands of numbers, the BJP supporters have come out in protest, and it seems like that the deployment of the police force were too small, and the supporters of the BJP was huge in numbers. Back to you.
Okay, so the protests are continuing, and we're seeing the women leaders leading the march. They've been demanding justice for the victims. Sabyasachi is also live with us. Sabyasachi, we had to cut across to the live reaction coming in. Go on, what's going on at the protest site? Okay, all right. We seem to be having technical difficulties. My sincere apologies. We continue getting you these live updates, but for
I am the future that was born 100 years ago. I am the purpose that emerged with India's independence, to be a force for business that makes doing good our business, towards an independence where knowledge sets us free, to think big and achieve bigger, towards a future made perfect, and be a force creating abundance. Because independence is not a moment in history, it's a never-ending path to prosperity. Aditya Birla Group, a force for good.